Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back today to a very exciting crash test because I got in my hand an RC Lamborghini Aventador. Come on, get out of your plastic. Guys, look at the design of this car. That's one to one exactly like the original Lambo. But has not 700 horsepower like the original Lambo. But that's why I will put an rocket over the Aventador and then we see what happens, guys. It's so crazy. But first, guys, you have the chance to win this beautiful phone. You can win a Samsung Galaxy S8 for the amazing support and hitting 400,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful for that. And yes, that's why I give you something back. This phone is in midnight black and 64 GB, and you must do 5 steps to win this phone. First step, like this video, then subscribe, had a test, and be sure that the notifications are on. Then like had a test on Facebook and follow on Instagram. And the last point is write a comment with the words pick me. Yes guys, that's all. And this giveaway will run until exactly 3 weeks, and the winner will be published on Instagram. So that's all. Good luck to all and have fun with this crash test.